Bumblebeers, and welcome to a new vlog series. A fun time vlog adventure. Strap in, here we go.
Is that where the Bumbling Tourist logo goes? Gonna try to... Okay, stop.
Okay, go.
We're gonna try to... So, we're gonna try to go to the art center if we can get down to the platform. I'm doing this on my own because that asshole won't let me do anything ever. I don't know why all these things are closed. It seems awfully weird, doesn't it? Doesn't it seem weird that all these are closed?
Yeah, it seems real weird.
Is something wrong here? Should we not have come into this section? What does this say? We don't know. We know 3 words in Mandarin.
So are you excited?
I don't know. I want to find a place, so I have more anxiety than excitement.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully your anxiety is replaced with excitement once said place is found.
Well, now you know what it's like to be me. This looks like a neat little stop thing.
Yeah. That shelter looks like a slide. You want to slide down the bus shelter there?
I don't know.
For those of you interested, this is the Old Railroad Historic Park.
So this was like an old shipping district that, this is a weird angle for the camera. It's an old shipping district. Come on. It's an old shipping district that has been changed into an art center. Yeah.
Kaohsiung is home to one of the busiest commercial ports in the world. Many of the ports over time have been left neglected, but in 2001 the city of Kaohsiung decided to develop the Pier 2 area and transform it into a center for the arts. The weird wall duck? Yeah, it's pretty cool. There are the chips. Another weird robot guy. Did that capture his essence?
I think you did. It's funny how much your panda shirt looks just like him too. Yeah. Which way do you think we go?
Probably that.
He's cheering children.
The area is full of murals, sculptures, galleries, and cafes as well. The majority of the area is closed to car traffic.
Do you know where we are?
Nobody tells me nothing.
We're at Pier 2 Art Center.
Oh yeah, I knew that.
And over here, there's some little mushroom guys.
Yeah. Awesome cat. Super.
This sculpture is ahead of its time.
Whoa.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Today's Halloween.
It was interesting to learn that the area was only really rediscovered in 2000, when city officials were looking for a place to launch fireworks for a national holiday. It sure has come a long way.
I like that this sword-wielding man is going to fight the weird red dog penis face guy.
He's got a light in his mouth.
Oh yeah, he does.
That must light up at a certain time.
I believe in you. I think you're gonna win it. And this one's a zipper walking. And over here there's a cat. And this really terrified looking little mouse. So it's easy enough to just walk around and see stuff everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
But also you can buy a ticket on this like little tram thing that'll take you through.
I didn't even realize.
Yeah, we didn't do that though.
We like walking.
Yeah, plus you see more when you're walking. Look at this cool thing.
That's where the laser parties happen. In the color tube. And that's where the steampunk goes down. Robot headquarters. Just dropping some fact bombs on you.